Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this client today is a redesign. So as you can see, she's still got some old colour left on her nails, but I have filed the bulk down and everything. So she didn't actually know what she wanted. She come in at first wanting to have green, and then we've just ended up completely doing something different. So we're just doing like an autumn set today. So the first colour that I put down on the little finger, which you'll see better in a minute, that is Mulled Wine by Glitterbels. And then I'm coming in now with two different glitters. So the first one that I put down, the really fine one, that one is, I think that one's from Diamond Glitters. And then this chunky one, I'm pretty sure is from Glitterbels in the little pots that they sell. And then also the nude base that I put down near the cuticle, that one is Caramel Nude, which is a beautiful brownie nude kind of colour. So it goes really, really well with this one. And then on this marble nail, again, I'm just using Caramel Nude and Mulled Wine. So just picking up both beads and then swirling them together. And just keep going until you're happy. So again, the brush that I always use is the Glitterbels size 12. I am currently waiting for one of the new brushes as well. So if you guys haven't seen those already, then you're missing out because they are absolutely beautiful. And then this nail is just a full glitter nail. So as you can see, I'm just coming in with that fine glitter first. And then I do come in with the chunky one over the top. I will have to go onto the website and try and find out what glitter the chunky one is, and then I'll leave everything in the description box for you all. I absolutely love doing autumn nails. I don't know about you guys, but it's definitely my favourite. I'm just coming in and just adding a tiny bit more colour where I think it's needed. So I'm just showing you again that marble on the other hand, as this one's in shot a little better. So just for the people asking how to do it, then this is how. You need to make sure that your brush has come to a nice point so you can drag it through nice and easy. So now on to capping. So I'm using Glitterbels glass slippers as always, placing that at the cuticle area and then just dragging down that product over the entire nail. Checking from the sides as well, making sure I've got my apex and everything. So same on this nail. So as you can tell there as well, I'm tipping my client's finger down to make sure that none of that acrylic runs into her cuticle. So on this one, I've left a tiny little bit of filing in again, just so you guys can see how I file. So as always, I'm using the metal files by Glitterbels. They're slightly heavier than the normal ones, so they do take some getting used to, but they are definitely worth it. I don't think I could go back to a normal file. So as you can see, I always start off by filing the sides, making sure they're nice and crisp. And then what I like to do is just go over the entire nail, making sure it's nice and smooth, making sure not to file the apex away. And then I always file around the cuticle. And then after I've done the whole hand, what I like to do is flip my client's hand round so I can see it from their view. And if any more bits need filing, then just go in and do so. I have sped this part up as well. I'm not actually going that fast over the client's nail. So top coating, this is the best part. So I use Glitterbels no wipe top coat, and then after I've done the whole hand, cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. Then always make sure you leave it to cool down before applying cuticle oil. And then that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.